Crypto Hotep here with another trading video. All right, so we'll be speaking about a couple things related to uh, the Bitcoin end of September, the weekly events that's happening in the crypto space, our altcoin 1K portfolio, and then we'll also do some charting with XLM. So let's jump right in here. Before we do, just know anything we say in this video is not financial advice. Please do your own research on your coins and whatever you choose to invest in the crypto space. Also, if you guys want to and want to support the channel, feel free and click the referral link at in the description of the video, even if you have a Coinbase account. Crypto Hotep and Coinbase do partner up together, and I am able to receive some of the trading fees that are charged to you when you're using Coinbase. And you have to do nothing but use the link below and tie in your account with that link. As always, guys, if you know me and you follow the channel, you know I've used Coinbase for over 4 years. They're my crypto broker of choice, and they are publicly traded and also in the great US of A. And I do trust them with not only my USD, but my USDC as well. So that being said, let's hop in here. So Bitcoin finished September in a fantastic fashion, the biggest September that Bitcoin has ever had, tracing back to 2013, up over 7.25% at 7.35%. That's what they ended. That's what Bitcoin ended the month at. Fantastic. That was even up over last year. Now, if you look at historical price action and returns, you'll see, especially last year, that October, November, and December are typically good months for Bitcoin, and that will translate to good months for crypto. So, as always, everybody's optimistic. They think that Uptober is what they call it, or is what we call it, will resume and the bull run will carry on. Unfortunately, as with crypto, that was not the case at all, which is totally fine. But as always, when crypto does something that we didn't think it would do, the whole crypto Twitter is in shambles, and now everybody's thinking that the bear market's back, and we're packing it up, we're going home. Um, everybody needs to go get a job at McDonald's, and everything is back to where it once was. So, I always say you always have to zoom out in when we're dealing with these cycles with crypto. It's very hard to trade crypto on, a 5 minute time frame, 10 minute time frame, even the 1 hour and the 4 hour are hard as well. But, when you're thinking about it and when you're looking at it, you have to look at everything long term. If you look at it long term, it'll smooth out the vision for you and you'll get a better, clearer picture. So, I bring this GIF up because in crypto it's always like this. Oh, we're back. Oh, it's over. Oh, we're back. Oh, it's over. And it's a cycle. And just so we think, Bitcoin has gone up considerably since September of last year, if you look at the weekly chart. So these little dips that are here and there, they mean nothing. So it's kind of like we just need to relax. If we go to our 1K altcoin Coinbase portfolio, we'll see up to date, we are close to 7% up on the month. Not a lot in crypto terms. But our balance is over 1,300 at 1370.19. We have positions in XLM, Doge, Link, and then Polygon with Matic token currently as of right now, because Matic just transitioned and rebranded their token to POL. POL. Our one of our wins in our portfolio in our sold off position was with Helium. Helium we bought in at around $3.64, and we did sell at $7.95. A over 100% trade. Very good trade here. Okay. And with that being said, we can jump right into the charts here. Let's go. So when we look at XLM, these are my thoughts in regards to XLM. So, and before I begin, if this is your first time watching me chart, know a couple things. I use the RSI, which is this up top indicator here, and I've color coded it accordingly to where I want to buy and sell. My key levels are driven off of weekly charts, and I trade off of weekly charts here, and I'm looking for key levels for support and resistance typically. If your key level is purple, like this purple box here, that means that it's a flipped level, and a flipped level means that it acted as both support and resistance. Okay, so something right here. I would also say this would be support and resistance as well, because you can see price wicked out right here. So let's go ahead and change that to flipped. And then, of course, this one is a flipped level here because this acted as support right here. And then also resistance all the way through here. Right here, support, and then resistance, and currently resistance. And then this is the only one. This is in blue. So that means that the support or resistance is strong and it is yet to be broken. So as we can see, support has held up price here, 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 and now we've revisited this area, and price has supported or was supported in this area here as well. Okay, as we mentioned in the Coinbase altcoin portfolio, there we do have a position in XLM. We did buy at considerably low levels. We also did buy at the 10 cents level too, and I think our average buy it may be close to 11 cents. We can check because we have been averaging or buying down our current price. So let's see. I have to go to our holdings. And here, nope, I can't click there. Here, we'll go in here. We'll go here. And then we'll go here. Then I think I can go into here, into the holdings piece. And then I have to click here. Yeah, so average buy here, we have about 10 cents. So about 0.1034 is our average buy. So not terrible. Not terrible. It could be less, as always. So when we go into the chart, a little bit above 10 cents is where we're at. So our average buy is around this area or so where resistance has been. So we can decrease it with another buy if we have some extra money here. So not a bad idea, because I don't mind buying in these areas. It actually seems, if I zoom in and I look at the candlesticks, it really looks like there's a whole bunch of consolidation right here and a whole bunch of indecisiveness. And what I mean is you have a whole bunch of doji candles both ways here. You have bullish dojis here, you have bearish dojis here, and then you have a bearish candle here, but then you have bullish momentum here. So it looks like price is really, to me, when I see this typically means price is trying to bottom out or trying to solidify in this area here. And the reason I say that is because if you look back, you can see here, you have a bunch of just price movements sticking around in this key level, not moving away or not moving down, just kind of staying in this area here, waiting for a big move. So that's why I think price potentially could be bottoming out here, just because we were in this downtrend. We haven't continued in the downtrend. It's more of leveled off here, and we could potentially move up here. So that's where I get this path for price here, where I say, hey, we may dip down low here, break through 10 cent or break through up to 12 cents, retrace back to 10 cents, and then break through and go get our 2024 yearly highs, which are right here. And we might do a twofer because they're so close together and get the 2023 yearly highs as well. What we don't want to see, though, especially me, is because there's so much historical price action with Stellar, they do have levels further down below in the 4 cents range right here, and also in the lower 4 cents range right here. So we don't really want to see price start to break down past this level down into the 4 cents range. We want it to hold strong, so essentially price could go up. And on top of that, to add another piece, if you look here at the RSI is at the bottom at the oversold levels here, and typically when XLM is at oversold level, you can potentially hold that all the way to your overbought levels here. Very similarly, we did that could have been done in December 2022, and then you would have held that until July 2023 to sell that off, and you would have made a decent profit there. Very similarly here, again, it doesn't work 100%, but it gives you pretty decent areas where you can buy here. And sometimes when RSI does dip into the oversold level, it will just extend that downtrend out of being further oversold. But then once it bottoms out, you can essentially hold that until you get a overbought level here. So again, that's the way my trading has been going. It's very simple, very simplistic. But as always, guys, feel free to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're holding an XLM, or what you think you're holding, or what you think is going to be bullish in a bullish move in the upcoming weeks here. And as always, thank you guys and happy investing.